Alright guys, so welcome back to another video. So I posted a quick update video on the 27th. If you guys watched that, you already know what's been happening to the wheel horse lately. So in this video, I want to go ahead and start doing some work to the frame. Since I don't think my pressure washer is going to be here, I'm going to have to use my metal wire wheel brush. Now I could just order another pressure washer and wait, but I'm so sick and tired of waiting. I really am tired of waiting. I'm ready for this to be done. So I'm just going to do the work with my metal wire wheel brush. Metal wire wheel brush. That's how you say it. So let's bring the John Deere over here along with the tool trailer and let's start working on this. Cold start. Not bad. Alright, so I've used the metal wire wheel brush the best I could to get most of this down. It's looking a lot better already, but I'm going to use some paint remover or paint stripper. I'm just going to spread it all over this thing and let it sit there for about 30 minutes to see if I can get some of this paint off of here. Alright, so I got the transmission and frame together again. It wasn't the easiest thing I've ever done, but I managed to get it on there. So now that we have these two things together, I'm going to go ahead and start metal wire brushing around all this. Alright, so I've actually decided to spray it down with soapy water using my foam cannon. And I got it really pretty clean, I think. This is as clean as I'm going to try to get it. I don't think I can do any better than this. So after this dries off completely, I will sand down any rust that developed on there while the water was still sitting on this thing. It's going to be time to paint this. Alright, so it's the day after and the thing is completely dried, or it should be. And as you can see, it has accumulated some rust on the parts that don't have paint. I'm going to try to get it as clean as I can and then we will start painting it. Alright, so I've sanded down as much of this as I could. It's far from perfect and I probably shouldn't be painting on this, but I'm going to anyway. We have the frame ready enough. Let's bring the primer out and let's start priming this thing. Alright, so I've just finished laying down the final coat of primer and it came out pretty good. I'm pleased with the results. Alright, so it's the next day and this paint has had plenty of time to dry. So pretty soon we're fixing to start coloring it with Regal Red. But first I want to show you something. My pressure washer actually came in last night. Let's go ahead and open it. Alright, so I have the pressure washer set up. It was very easy. The instructions were very clear. So the instructions say to let all the air out of the system until you see water coming out of it. There we go, that's hose pressure water. Now, it says to hold the trigger while turning the motor on. I'm gonna get the camcorder ready and then I'm gonna record the first time using this pressure washer. Alright, here we go. Wow, that's strong pressure there. Alright, let's start spraying something with it. See if we can find something to clean. This is something that's been needing to be cleaned. Wow, that was so much better. Alright, so after a lot of fun with the pressure washer, it's time to paint the frame and transmission red, finally. right, check that out. That looks so much better. So we're gonna let it dry for a couple days, and then we will put the big centerpiece back on here. All right, so it is the next day, Wednesday. So I think I am ready to go ahead and install some parts on the frame. I'm pretty sure things are about to get scratched here. I'm gonna try my best not to scratch anything. Ugh. All right, let's get some bolts in there. All right, so I've got as much put back together as I can. Wow, that's way easier. If you remember previously, I greased those things up and the steering wheel was kind of hard to turn before, but now I feel it. Oh wow, that is so much better. And the pedal works fine. I got all the linkages. I'm gonna be careful about putting my foot right here because the paint is still curing and it won't take much to scrape it off, as you can see right here. And that is gonna do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I sure did. And this thing looks awesome. I'm gonna repaint this soon. I haven't done it yet because I'm working on this piece right now. This is where the seat is bolted on here. I'm repainting that one. After that, I'll work on that piece over there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you're stopping by for the first time and you want to follow the channel and you want to see this thing finished, be sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss a new video like this. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.